Good Thursday evening, Midlands. I'm Chief Meteorologist Efren Afonte on another very warm day. We didn't hit the 80s, but this morning our temperatures were more like what the high should be. Unofficially, in downtown Columbia, we start off a low of 64 degrees, and the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, 67. Each reached an estimated high of 73 degrees, a very warm day. And we did have a few showers late in the afternoon, but by early evening, at least over Williams-Brice Stadium, the rain had ended. It was cloudy, 67 degrees under calm conditions, but very humid. Now, we did have quite a bit of rainfall that had been moving through Georgia and into portions of the Palmetto State. All of that is in line with a cold front or stationary boundary that is pushing out of the Tennessee Valley. But out in the central and southern plains, they got really severe weather that's been going on. Severe thunderstorm watches and warnings, as well as tornado watches and warnings. They're expecting the severe weather out there through the overnight hours as it crosses over into areas of Mississippi. By the time we get into tomorrow, that extends now all the way to the rest of the southeast, and it does include all of South Carolina, although portions of the northwest Midlands and the upstate have a slight risk for the possibility of strong to severe storms, while there's a marginal risk for the rest of the Midlands and for the Palmetto State for that matter, that we could see strong storms, maybe isolated severe. So here's our forecast to start off overnight tonight and into the morning. Some of us will continue the scattered showers. We'll start off a low of 60 degrees. Tomorrow, we'll reach a high of 82. Scattered showers and storms by the late afternoon and early evening. Some of the storms, just a few of them, may be severe, but it's going to be very windy. Winds will be out of the southwest at 25 miles an hour and at times gusting to 40. This is a very quick moving complex, and once it's out of here, we finally get a break and a really good weekend to be outdoors. Lots of sunshine. Saturday will reach a high of 74. On Sunday, 70 degrees. We start to warm up beginning of the work week. On Monday to a high of 76. It'll be warm, a bit muggy, but it'll be windy again on Tuesday with a high of 81. Then as the front slowly moves through, our temperatures by midweek will be dropping into the low to mid 60s with possibly an isolated shower in the afternoon for Wednesday and Thursday.